God's Word. March 16, 2024. John chapter 7 verses 40 to 53. 40 of that multitude therefore, when they had heard these words of his, some said, This is the prophet indeed. 41 others said, This is the Christ. But some said, Doth the Christ come out of Galilee? 42 Doth not the Scripture say, that Christ cometh of the seed of David, and from Bethlehem the town where David was? 43 So there arose a dissension among the people because of him. 44 And some of them would have apprehended him, but no man laid hands on him. 45 The ministers therefore came to the chief priests and the Pharisees. And they said to them, Why have you not brought him? 46 The ministers answered, Never did man speak like this man. 47 The Pharisees therefore answered them, Are you also seduced? 48 Hath any one of the rulers believed in him, or of the Pharisees? 49 But this multitude, that knoweth not the law, are accursed. 50 Nicodemus said to them, He that came to him by night, who was one of them smiley face. 51 Doth our law judge any man, unless it first hear him, and know what he doth? 52 They answered, and said to him, Art thou also a Galilean? Search the Scriptures, and see, that out of Galilee a prophet riseth not. 53 And every man returned to his own house.